Coming at you from Tokyo, Japan, my name is Dave, and this is Mystery Gift. I've got two today from the same person. Their username is Dirk on the YouTubes. I'm not sure about their real name. First name is abbreviated here to D, so I'm not sure. Open this up, have a look what we've got. First one. Yo. Mighty K. Rad. The yellow one. That is sick. Thank you very much. I love it. It's going on the wall. The second one, let's go. Open it. It sounds like another Hot Wheels, honestly. Yo, what is this? Oh, sick. Custom 70 Honda N600. That is rad. That is so cool with the gold wheels and the yellow surf skate K-Truck. Thank you very much, Dirk. I appreciate it. They're going on the wall. Rad. But believe it or not, I'm not done. I got this box from Mark around the same time, so I better open this as well. Dangerous activity with scissors. I am qualified to use scissors. Believe that or not, I'm gonna cut myself with them now. What's in it? Got some bubble wrap. Oh wow. What's this? Krabby Patty. Krabby Patty. SpongeBob candy, dude. Sick. Handful of SpongeBob candy. Krabby Patties. I'm gonna do that now. The review, look, is it just one, or do you eat the... Is this one, or are you supposed to break it up? Oh shit, that tastes like bubblegum. Kinda. Green one? I just like a gummy. This is really spongy. I'm not sure what the green one tastes like, honestly. Pink one. That's a different texture again. Kind of strawberry. This purple one's bound to be grape. Yeah, another different texture. That's really cool. Yeah, I like that. Thank you very much. They're not gonna last a day. Let's be honest. Yeah, I'm smashing them. What else do we got? Get out of here. Oh, there's 3 of them. Rick and Morty, coconut smelling. I can smell it. Smells like coconut. Deodorant things for hanging places. That is sick. Thank you very much. Oh, I'm still loving the Krabby Patty. That's sick. Thank you. Love those. Another Hot Wheels. This time we've got Texas Toot. Famous, I think he's on Instagram. Mazda Autozam, they called it. Not sure where he is on social media, but you can find him if you want to know more about this truck. And, oh my god, what is that? What is that? Is that 2 to 4 players, 30 minutes, 13 plus? Is that a Cobra Kai board game? I think it is. Yep. Road to victory. It's time to train your students to be ready for the annual All Valley Karate Tournament. Wow. Train your students to be strong to win the tournament trophy. Prove you are the best sensei of the valley through fights between students. That sounds terrible. Enter the tournament and give it all you've got. No mercy. That is sick. Fight with combat dice. I hope your next mystery gift has got some friends in it that I can play this with. This is sick. Thank you very much. I need more shelving space to put all the cool stuff you're sending me. I really appreciate the gifts, guys. Thank you very much. These smell so good. Oh shit. I love coconut.